Hello students. We have already learned Arithmetic Progression chapter, right? The AP. So in AP chapter, we have learned what is AP and the nth term of an AP and the sum of first n terms of an AP, right? In today's class, we are going to solve some problems and we are going to learn some tricks. Okay? Are you guys ready for this? Right. Very good. Now see the first question here. The sum of first 7 multiples of 3. Okay? Now see, by using the normal method, how can we solve this? By using the normal method, which is nothing but Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l, right? So now, what is the first term? So multiple of 3 is nothing but 3, 6, 9. This goes on up to 21, right? So what is the a here? A is nothing but 3 and l is nothing but 21. So now substitute the values in the given formula, which is nothing but the number of terms are nothing but 7, right? 7 by 2 into 3 plus 21. Right? This will give you the value of 84. Now we'll follow short trick method. Okay. So by using the short trick method, the number of terms are nothing but 7, right? So what is the digit after 7? Which will be nothing but 8 by 2 into the which digit we are multiplying with 3, right? So basically 2 ones are here, 2 fours are. It will give you 28 into 3. So the answer is 84. That is a short trick. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. The sum of first 6 multiples of 5, right? So now by using the normal method, so what is the first term here? So which is nothing but 5, 10, this goes on until 30, right? So A is equal to 5 and L is equal to 30. And what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, the first term plus last term, which is nothing but 6 here by 2 into what is first term? 5 plus 30. This will give you the value of 105, right? By using the short trick method. So how many terms are there? 6 terms. What is the next digit after 6? Which is nothing but 7 by 2 into what is the number we are multiplying with? Which is nothing but 5, right? So now this is 1 times, this is 3 times. So 21 into 5, it will give you the value of 105. If you like the video, join SISYA class.